Main channel Matt just messaged me saying he's too busy running 5 channels at once to make this video, so he sent me a literal stick figure to explain how you can build an entire faceless YouTube business in 2026. And honestly, that's perfect because I am the embodiment of faceless content. I don't even have a face, just 2 dots and a line. But here's the thing, in the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna show you the exact blueprint that's working right now for creators making anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000 per month with channels they barely show up on. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to be on camera, and you definitely don't need to be more than a stick figure to pull this off. Look, I get it. You've seen a million videos promising you the secrets to faceless YouTube. Most of them are either outdated, incomplete, or they're trying to sell you some overpriced course. Not today. Today, I'm breaking down the 5-step system that actually works in 2026, the AI tools that make this ridiculously simple, and the exact monetization strategies that turn views into real money. We're covering niche selection that doesn't put you to sleep, content creation using AI that doesn't sound like a robot wrote it, the posting strategy that beats the algorithm, monetization beyond just ad revenue, and the automation workflow that main channel Matt uses to run multiple channels while I do all the actual work. Let's go. All right, step 1, picking your niche. And no, I'm not gonna tell you to start a meditation channel or another top 10 list channel. Those are saturated, dead, finished. Here's what's working in 2026. You wanna find what I call a monetization first niche. That means picking topics where people are actively looking to spend money or solve expensive problems. Think software tutorials, make money online, business growth, AI tools, real estate, investing, productivity systems. These niches have high CPMs, which means YouTube pays you more per 1,000 views, and they have audiences that actually buy stuff, which matters when we talk about monetization later. But here's the trick, you can't just go broad, you need to find a micro niche within these categories. For example, don't just do AI tools, do AI tools for real estate agents. Don't just do investing, do dividend investing for beginners under 30. The riches are in the niches, and the even bigger riches are in the micro niches. Now, how do you validate your niche? Simple. Go to YouTube, type in your niche idea, and look for channels with between 10,000 and 100,000 subscribers that are posting regularly and getting decent views. If you find 3 to 5 channels in that range, you've found a proven niche that isn't completely dominated yet. That's your green light. And here's a bonus tip. Use VidAI to analyze top performing videos in your niche. It'll show you exactly what topics are crushing it, what titles work, and what hooks keep people watching. Even main channel Matt uses this to research his next video ideas, and he has a whole team. You can do this solo. Okay, step 2, creating content without losing your mind or your soul to the content machine. This is where AI becomes your best friend, but you have to use it right, or your videos will sound like a terms and conditions document. Here's my workflow. First, script writing. I use tools like VidAI or Claude to generate scripts, and this is critical, I don't just copy paste. I give the AI strong prompt with my style, tone, and structure. Then, I edit it to sound human. You want conversational, punchy, and engaging, not robotic. If your script sounds like it was written by a customer service bot, redo it. Next, voiceover. You've got 2 options here. Option 1, use 11 Labs for AI voices. Pick a voice that sounds natural, not like a GPS navigation system. And here's the secret, add pauses, emphasis, and even slight imperfections to make it sound real. Option 2, hire a real human voice actor on Fiverr for like 20 to 50 bucks per video. It's worth it for quality. Now visuals. This is where faceless channels get creative. You can use stock footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay, totally free. You can use AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create custom visuals that match your script. Or, and this is my personal favorite because I'm biased, you can use simple animations. I'm literally just a stick figure moving around, and people watch this stuff. Simple works. For editing, use tools like CapCut. It's free and shockingly powerful. Or if you want to level up, use Descript. Descript lets you edit video by editing text. You literally delete words from the transcript and it cuts the video. It's magic. And if you're really serious, you can outsource editing to someone on Upwork for like 50 to 100 bucks per video once you're making money. Here's the thing, your first few videos will take forever. That's normal. But by video 5 or 6, you'll have a system and you'll be cranking these out in a few hours instead of a few days. Speed comes with repetition. Step 3, the posting strategy that actually gets your videos seen, because you can make the best video in the world, but if the algorithm buries it, you're toast. First, thumbnails and titles. These are 70% of your success. I'm not exaggerating. Your thumbnail needs to stop the scroll. Use bold text, high contrast colors, and a clear focal point. Tools like Canva make this stupid easy. Your title needs to trigger curiosity without being clickbait. Think, how I made $10,000 with a faceless channel instead of you won't believe this method. One makes me want to click, the other makes me want to leave the internet. Next, your hook. The first 30 seconds of your video determine if people stay or leave. You need to hook them immediately with a bold claim, a question, or a visual that makes them think, okay, I need to see where this goes. Don't waste time with long intros. Get to the point. I hooked you in 15 seconds, and you're still here. Now, posting consistency. Here's the truth, you don't need to post every single day, that's burnout central, but you do need consistency. Pick a schedule, 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, even 1 video a week, and stick to it. The algorithm rewards consistency more than it rewards random viral hits. And here's something most people get wrong, your first 10 videos probably won't blow up. That's fine. You're training the algorithm, finding your voice, and learning what works. Don't give up at video 3 because you only got 200 views. Push through to video 15 or 20. That's when things start clicking. Also, pay attention to your analytics. YouTube Studio tells you everything. Watch time, click-through rate, audience retention. If people are clicking but leaving after 20 seconds, your hook sucks. If people are staying but not clicking, your thumbnail sucks. Fix what's broken, keep what's working. Step 4, making actual money. Because ad revenue alone is not going to pay your rent unless you're getting millions of views, and spoiler alert, most channels aren't. Yes, you should enable monetization once you hit the requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. Ad revenue is passive income, and it's great, but it's not the only income, it's not even the best income. Here's where the real money is, affiliate marketing. Promote tools, products, or services that your audience actually needs. If you're running a channel about AI tools, promote AI tools with affiliate links. If you're running a channel about investing, promote investing platforms. You can make anywhere from $50 to $500 per sale, depending on the product. And the best part, you set this up once and it runs on autopilot. Sponsors. Once you hit 10 to 20,000 subscribers, brands will start reaching out to sponsor your videos. Or you can reach out to them. A single sponsored video can pay anywhere from $500 to $5,000 depending on your niche and audience size. And if you're smart, you'll build relationships with a few sponsors and work with them regularly. Digital products. This is the big one. Create an ebook, a course, a template pack, or a guide that solves a specific problem for your audience. Price it between $20 and $200. If you have 10,000 engaged subscribers and just 1% buy your product, that's 100 sales. At $50 each, that's $5,000 from one product that you made once. And here's the workflow main channel Matt taught me. Use your YouTube channel to build an email list. Offer a free lead magnet, like a checklist or cheat sheet, in exchange for emails. Then you market your products to that list. Email converts way better than YouTube ever will. Step 5, automation and scaling. Because if you want to go from one channel making a few thousand a month to multiple channels making serious money, you need systems. First, batch your work. Don't make one video at a time. Script 5 videos in one session, record 5 voiceovers in one session, edit 5 videos in one session. This cuts down your production time by like 40% because you're not constantly switching tasks. Second, outsource the stuff that drains you. Hate editing? Hire an editor. Hate thumbnail design? Hire a designer. Your job as the business owner is to focus on strategy, content ideas, and monetization, not spending 6 hours in CapCut trimming clips. Third, use automation tools. VidAI can help you research, script, and optimize videos faster. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidEQ can automate your SEO and tag research. Zapier can automate your email marketing. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. And here's the controversial take. Once you have one successful faceless channel, start a second one. Use the same system, same tools, same workflow, just a different niche. Main channel Matt runs 5 channels right now using this exact method. Some do better than others, but together they generate way more than one channel ever could. Scaling is where you go from side hustle to actual business. But you can't scale chaos. You need systems first. Build the systems on channel 1, then clone them for channel 2. All right, let's wrap this up. If you've made it this far, you now know more about starting a faceless YouTube business in 2026 than 90% of creators out there. You've got the niche selection strategy, the AI content workflow, the posting game plan, the monetization blueprint, and the scaling systems. But here's the reality check. Knowing this stuff doesn't mean anything if you don't actually start. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect niche, the perfect video. There is no perfect. You just start. Make video 1, it'll probably suck. That's fine. Make video 2, it'll suck less. By video 10, you'll actually be decent. By video 20, you'll be good. And by video 50, you might just have a business. Now, if you want to go even deeper and discover exactly how I run faceless channels and turn them into full businesses, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there. And before you leave, drop a comment and tell me, what niche are you going to start with? Seriously, I read every single reply and I want to know what you're building. Let's do this.